Hello everybody, today I have here an unbranded lock what was sent to me by my friend Valiant Thor from Ireland. Uh, what it is, this lock, it is an unbranded, but it's a 6-pin lock, but it was a good quality unbranded lock. It was pretty pick resistant as well, but the only problem was it had wafers that made it a little bit easier to pick. I didn't have a key with it, but another thing I wanted to show you is I've got another unbranded lock here, but this was absolutely shit quality, guys. This isn't worth anything. It's so shit. I just decided to keep the pins and springs. I'll show you the cord as well. I'm sure some of you guys must have had this lock somewhere along the line. Such sloppy tolerances, unbelievable. The core, it's not even fully thingied. It's not like it's got gaps in it. If I can find it, I've chucked it away. Such a nasty core. Where have I put that? Oh, I had it a minute ago somewhere. 1 second. Sorry about this, guys. Somewhere in this box or the other box. Yeah, here it is. Look at this, guys. Let's put this back stuff. Right, this is the core to that lock. Look at the gaps. Look at that. Look even that's it's not even precisely done. It doesn't even feel like steel, feels like a plastic or something. But what the point I'm trying to make, this is unbranded, but this is a good quality unbranded lock. You know what I mean? Come on, autofocus, man. Sorry about this, guys. The autofocus doesn't want to play. Why is everything happening now? Sorry guys, I'm really sorry about this, but yeah, the autofocus is working now, so let's get going, guys. One more. Right, so I'm gonna tension the lock this way. Lately I've been tensioning locks this way and I've really been having, good success like this. So we start off from pin 1 with light tension and work our way all the way back to pin 6. 4. We got a little turn on pin 4. Pin 5, we got a little turn there. Pin 6 there. Yeah, we got a click off pin 6. Back to 1. Yeah, we got a nice click off 1. Make sure you guys can see. It makes, when you're working around the camera, it makes picking much harder for me anyway. The pin 4, we got a click. I've designed this lock so the pins drop. There, I think we're on 1 here, yeah, we are. There we go, we got pin set, but I think something dropped in the back. Definitely. There we go, got a nice fault set going now. Pin 4. There. It's not fully set. There we go. You see how it... Mom, shut the door! Now we're on pin... I think I'm on pin 2 now. There, yes. Slight click. Just check 6 and 5. Feels like this set. I thought I had it. There we go. Pick to open. As you can see, now I'm gonna cut this lock. So just keep it all in there for you. Put the vice here. The lock is still here. There it is, the lock. There's the lock. Now I'll have to. I've just got to thingy this now. I hate this tripod, honestly, guys. There it is now. That's it. I've got to like sort of get it like right. Yep. So there we go. There's the lock. Let's zoom in and let's do the gutting now. Plug follower. Should have the plug follower here. I've got everything ready here today, so it won't take us that long. So there we go. Let's just put this in focus. There. Now let's put the follower in. Don't want nothing dropping out there, guys. So there you go. So what I'll do is I'll put everything on the table. First I'll show you the core. Every single thingy is threaded. I don't know if you can make that out. Sorry guys, I'll show you at the end. But I'll put all the pins here. Pin 1. Pin 1 is like a, I don't know what you can call that. It's quite a funky pin actually. 2 is like a T-pin thing, like a really sharp T-pin. 3 double spool or serrated. 4 is another sharp one. Come on, stay here. Stop flying all over. And it had a wafer on top of it. That's why, you know, when we kept clicking. 5 is a small spool type. 6 is like a serrated, sharp serrated pin. Cause here, I hope you got all that in. Pin 1. Oops. Pin 1 is a spool, a normal spool. Shit. 2 is one of them double, like a Christmas tree type spool. 3, I like this pin a lot because that's what gives us that dirty fault set. 4, like a Asa pin. 5, like one of them serrated. And last not but least, 6 is that double spool type thing. And I'll just put it in order here. That was number 2 there. Come on, try and get the video done quickly. So these are the driver pins here. As you can see, pin 1 there, pin 2, that number 3, that was give us that big fault set. 4 is like a Asa type pin, but I've really kept it sharp. 4, I mean the 4 is like the Asa type pin there. 5 there, I don't know what you can call that, like a two-sided mushroom pin. 5 there, and here you go, here's the key pins. Why is the focus doesn't want to play today? 1 second, guys. There you go, number one there. Sorry about this, guys, but my autofocus is messing about. I don't know why. There you go, 1, 2, there, 3. Number 4 is very sharp at the top, and it had that wafer on top. 5 and 6. There you go, guys. This was the unbranded lock sent to me by Valiant Thor, and I custom pinned it. Obviously, I'll make a little bit more of a mod to make it harder. Thank you very much and goodbye.